Hi everyone, Sean Gilliam here with Location Real Estate. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of my monthly market update. We're going to be taking a look at data for the month of March 2021 and take a look at how things are trending so far as we're getting into our spring market. If you haven't been paying attention, the market is very intense right now. No shortage of demand, no shortage of buyers with cash to bring to the table to the tune of $10, $20, $50, $80,000 plus over list price quite often across the board along the Front Range here. So we'll take a look at some of the data. We'll take a look at some record-setting average sales prices, record-setting low inventory, and get an idea of why the market is behaving the way it is. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at the data for Boulder, Larimer, and Weld counties. All right, let's take a look at the data here. We've got Boulder County. You're going to see starting at the top, for those of you who haven't watched these videos yet, the way this data is set up is the percent change is a comparison of March of 2021 to March of 2020. As you recall, March was just before COVID-19 really made an impact. We saw data significantly impacted in April and May of last year, but March not quite yet. So we're looking at March as more of a semi-normal market, kind of ramping up for the spring market, and things were starting to get stronger until COVID-19 hit, of course. So let's take a look at this data now so we can make sense of it. Looking at new listings compared to March of 2020, we're down 23.5%. Pending sales are up. That's just an indication that homes are getting bought up quickly and getting under contract. Closed sales are slightly down. It's not that significant of a change, but probably an indication that there's just less closed sales because there's less homes to buy. Days on market until sale is down very significantly. That's just an indication that homes are going under contract quickly. As you can see here, here's the record-setting data. Median sales price in Boulder County is up 31% compared to last year at $800,000. And the average sales price is up 32.4% at $1,030,000. As you recall, January had an average sale price of just over $1 million for a home. And that's just an indication. One, the data can be skewed a little bit just because there's not that much data on the market, but there has been more homes sold at above $1 million for the month of March than is typical. And I think that's just an indication that there's a lot of people out there with a lot of money and they can afford a lot of house. So as you can see here, scrolling down, percent of list price received, homes are selling above list price, without a doubt. Homes across the Front Range are getting multiple offers and everybody's throwing down $10, $20, $50, $80,000 on homes to win the sale. And so 103% is putting it mildly to say the least that homes are selling above list price. Inventory of homes for sale. This is the real kicker. You know, it's down 70%. In Boulder County, there was 170 homes for sale in the month of March compared to 568 in March of 2020. And that is directly a result of COVID-19. A lot of people are sitting this out and kind of waiting to see what happens, waiting to see what happens with the economy. And of course, we had a new president. Normally that should have resolved itself by now, but this is an intense market because of COVID-19. And as such, the month supply of inventory was 0.5 months. That's down almost 71% compared to March of 2020. So it's an intense market out there. And we'll see it across the board. Let's take a look at Larimer County. New listings is down 25%. Pending sales are up and closed sales are up. That just shows that there's strong market activity out there. Median sales price is up 14.4% at $478,000 in Larimer County. And the average sales price is $556,000. That's up 17.6%. And of course, percent of list price received is up. Homes on average are selling for 101.5% of their original list price. Inventory of homes for sale. Again, this is the striking data right here. It's down almost 73% at 252 homes for sale in the month of March. That's in comparison to 930 that were on the market in March of 2020. And as a result, we have 0.5 month supply of inventory. That's down 75%. Scrolling over here to Weld County, we'll see the same data. New listings slightly up. Weld County is a very large county, so that number isn't quite reflective of what's going on in Larimer and Boulder counties. Weld County is just a huge county, so it's no surprise that there's 746 homes for sale on the market. Pending sales are up 42.9%. And then let's scroll down here to median sales price, 11.3%. It's up at $420,000. That's a huge amount for Weld County. Average sales price is $459,000. That's up almost 15% from March of 2020. Homes are selling above list price on average. I've seen homes even in the Greeley area, which is kind of a sleepy market compared to what happens west of I-25 along the Front Range. And homes were selling $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 above list price. So high demand for all homes that hit the market. And as you can see here, inventory of homes for sale is down 63%, and the month supply of inventory is at 0.5%, or 0.5 month supply of inventory. So intensely record-setting low inventory and no shortage of demand, buyers out there with plenty of cash to throw down above list price. And that's why we're seeing the intense market that we have today. So if you have any questions about the data or want more specific information on what your home might be worth, feel free to get in touch. You can reach me here at 970-313-6706, or just shoot me an email. Stay to the end of the video and you'll see my contact information there as well. I look forward to talking with you soon, and I'll keep you posted with how this crazy market is going in our next episode. Take care.